Hey, what's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today I'm very excited to bring you this review. Now, I just got these in the mail, and yes, they are what you think they are. These are Galaxy S10 cases for the S10 and the S10 Plus. Let's check them out. Now, I just picked up these cases. I got them in the mail from Armadillotek. They sent me these over. These are the Vanguard series that they have. Fully protective cases. If you notice, there is no front this time. Samsung is claiming that they're going to probably have that fingerprint sensor on the screen, directly on it this time. And this is the Urban Ranger. Now, this one is has more of a plasticky, rubbery feel to it. It's bendy, more like a bumper, so to say. Now, I'm going to examine this one just a little bit. If you notice, you got the power button right over here. Up top, you got a port for a mic. Around the sides, you got volume rockers and dedicated button right here, probably Bixby. You get your Armadillotek branding right here along the side. You got nice grooves that's going to help you to grip that and hold on to it. And then at the bottom, you still have a cutout for a 3.5mm headphone jack, speakers, and right here is where your charging port will be. Now, Samsung is telling us that they're going to have 3 cameras along the back at this time. You're not going to have room for a fingerprint scanner. That's why they're making these with no plastic fronts. Now, like I said, this is the Urban Ranger, but right over here is their most protective. This is the Vanguard series. Now, this is going to come in several colors, and if you notice, I'm going to put them up side by side. One is a little bit bigger than the other. This is for the S10. This is for the S10 Plus. Now, I want you to notice the same camera cutout that the Urban Ranger has. You can see it right here. Same camera cutout. But with this one, you're going to get a kickstand. And with this one, you get a kickstand as well. So with your S10 and S10 Plus, you're going to be able to get a portrait mode and a landscape mode for these cases. Now, I'm just going to run through button setups. These are actually the same case, so I'm going to do it for the S10 Plus. We already talked about the kickstand. Cameras are going to be right here, located on this side. Power button, you get those same grooves as the other one. Right there, you get your Armadillotek branding, as well as, I'm guessing we're bringing back Bixby, which I don't care for too much, but I'm thinking Bixby is going to get a nice upgrade in this new phone. And you get your volume rockers up and down right here. Up top, dedicated hole for your mic, speaker down bottom, and you have another mic down here. Now, let's look at this one. So, Urban Ranger. Notice Urban Ranger only has speaker port. This one has speaker port and another dot, which lets us know that there may be a surprise on one or the other. Right here is where your charging port is going to go, nice and protected, and your 3.5mm headphone jack is not going anywhere. So any headphones that you have that hook up to 3.5mm headphone adapters will be able to work. And here we go. Nice honeycomb shape on the inside. Remember, we do not have a plastic front because we're going to have that fingerprint scanner right there on the front built into the screen now. So like I said, big thumbs up to Armadillotek for getting me these out early. Like, I don't have a phone to test them in, but I'm sure I will have one pretty soon, seeing that these phones will be out within a couple of months. And then I'll be able to come by and tell you guys how they actually fit this new phone and what I like and what I don't like. So until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please share these videos. Please subscribe. And Average Tech Guy out. Peace.